Myself Surya Tiwari.
Myself Anshika Adhikari.
Myself Bhanupant.
We are the students of Group 1 of Class 12 Universal Convent Senior Secondary School. We have made a model named as the optical box. This model is based on the principle of ray optics. Now my friend will tell you more about this model.
So, as I have used laser lights, so when we project this laser light and we are going to inject this on atmosphere, so you can see that there is no visible path of this light. But once you strike inside this optical box, so you can see the path of the light. Here it is visible that the light is penetrating straightforwardly. And now, when we are projecting this light ray on the plane mirror, plane mirror, here we have used this plane mirror. So when I'm injecting this light ray towards this plane mirror, so it is following the laws of reflection. The laws of reflections are angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So the light rays are projecting at certain angle I, and that angle I is equal to the angle of reflection.
The principles of this of our project is it is based on the laws of reflection and refraction. So it is used in cameras, microscopes and telescopes. It is also used in optical fibers, and that's it. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Prableen Kaur from class 12th A, and today we have made a chemistry project based upon redox reaction. And today we will talk about change. In chemistry, it is redox. Change is redox. When transfer of electron happens between species, one gains electrons, one loses electrons. And here we have 4 experiments to show how chemistry changes color, mood, and intensity right in front of your eyes. Now, Diksha and Aditi will showcase the first experiment.
At first, we take the solution of NaOH and add a pinch of KMnO4 in it. It changes its color because it is in the highest oxidation state, which is Mn plus 7. Now we add some sugar in it, due to which it reduces its oxidation state and changes its color. Mn plus 7 changes its color to Mn plus 6 and Mn plus 6 to Mn plus 4, and at the end it became colorless.
Now Deepak will show the fake blood experiment.
As you can see, we are having 2 solutions of FeCl3 and KSCN. When we take KSCN in my hand, this white solution, when we combine KSCN with FeCl3, it forms fake blood. In this, redox does not happen, but in real blood, redox takes place from Fe2 positive to Fe3 positive. When we breathe one time, it changes its oxidation state from Fe2 positive to Fe plus 3. We are having another experiment. My friends Laksh will show you.
So, in the next experiment, we will see the difference. We will see the change by which due to the difference in boiling point. So now let's do the experiment.
In this, we are having ethanol and water. When we dip our node in ethanol and combination of ethanol plus water, and we burn it, it catches fire due to low boiling point of ethanol, but due to high boiling point of water, it does not burn.
Good morning, I am Manisha.
I am Khushi. I am Harshita.
Today we are the student of class 11th A, and today the topic of our annual exhibition is carbon purification for industries. What is carbon purification? Carbon purification is a process of removing the contaminants from air and water. Now the question arises, why carbon purification is essential? Carbon purification is a vital process that plays a very important role in removing the pollutants from air and water, thereby reducing their carbon emission. It's a very important process that helps industries to achieve their economic and industrial goal while contributing to a healthier planet.
Now my friend Harshita will tell you about the working of this model.
This model stimulates with
This model simulates the factory with a chimney where burning material creates smoke, representing carbon emission. The fan at the top of the chimney work as a suction device, drawing smoke from the chimney through PVC pipes.
Now from here smoke enters into the purification of this model, and the burned smoke gets here, and the purification starts. Then here from here air goes, and clean air comes out. This shows the purification and the pollution free environment. Thank you.
लाना बता इसको ज्वाइन कर अभी आया ही नहीं है क्यों आया नहीं है इसको ऑन कर देती हूँ ना उसको बंद करना है फर्स्ट क्यों आया नहीं इसको रात से हाथ पेज आया
Good morning, sir. This is our model of a pop-up book from which we have made the visuals and emotions we have represented of a tiger in the zoo poem of our English textbook. So here we have represented a tiger, how he is caged in the zoo and what are its emotions. We can observe as well as we can read in the poem that how sophisticated he is, but he has also the desire to stay in its freedom, to experience its freedom. And this is how the plum deer passes and he watches with the long grass. Here is the representation of the tiger now around the snarling around the houses, around the jungle's edge. Regretfully, he is locked in the concrete cell and he is helpless. So this is our project demonstrating the emotions of the poem through a visual manner so that everyone could understand it, the emotions as well as the visuals represented by the So as we look at the moral of this poem, so it's quite simple. It talks about the freedom of the tiger, especially the wildlife, which are these days nowadays locked behind the bars, not experiencing their freedom. So it is a mandatory task to make them free and understand their emotion.